Hi besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 15 ways to make money that no one is willing to share with you guys. So make sure that you stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. The first one on my list here is to start a blog. Guys, if you love to write and you have something useful or inspiring to say, guess what? I think you should consider starting a blog, because just in case you're wondering, a blog, what's a blog? In case you're wondering what a blog is, guys, a blog is a website where you regularly share your experience or your ideas with your readers. Yeah. Before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website, and you can also hire someone to build it for you, or you do it yourself. By the way, I'm hiring someone to build me a website. If you are interested, send me an email, find the link in my description, and let's discuss business. Guys, website builders like Squarespace, they make it really easy to put together a website on your own, even with no previous experience. I don't have the time, and that's why I'm hiring someone. Of course, if you want to make good money, send me an email and we can discuss business. And once your site is actually ready, once it's up, guys, it's all about writing good content consistently and promoting your blog to attract outsiders and of course subscribers. So you have to consistently promote your blog to attract readers and also people who want to subscribe to your blog. And if you want to monetize your blog, then you need an audience, and you can use so many methods like affiliate marketing, which means you can earn income through product recommendations and ads on your blog, and you can also create your own products or service and sell it on your own website. Another way to actually make money that no one is telling you about is to write a newsletter. Guys, a newsletter is an online newsletter is an email that you send out to your subscribers to share information or promote a product or service. So let's say that you have a blog or you have a YouTube channel, and maybe you're trying to promote yoga, or maybe a yoga, maybe an outfit for yoga. In your newsletter, you can promote your favorite yoga wear, and you can also use it, as an affiliate. You can look for a yoga wear. You don't have to produce it yourself. You can look for a yoga wear on Amazon or online or anywhere or any website, and then you put the link, insert the link, and of course you have your affiliate link where you earn a commission on every purchase that is made using your own link. So guys, if your readers click on that link, guys, guess what? It's money in your pockets. And you can also use your newsletter to promote your latest online yoga workshops, your one-on-one online yoga coaching if you're also a yoga coach, and of course your comfy merch if you have one. Another way to make money, guys, is to create your own YouTube channel. Okay, guys, how many channels do you think I have? Let me know in the comments. Guess. I've mentioned it on this channel. So if you're a regular customer on this channel, so if you're a returning subscriber, a bestie, you will know how many YouTube channels I have. So besties, if you've always dreamt of being the next YouTube star, now is your chance to become that YouTube celebrity that you've always wanted to be. To make money on YouTube, of course, you need to have views and subscribers, about 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. And you need all these requirements within the last 12 months. Or you get 10 million public shorts video views over the last 90 days. If you can meet this criteria, guess what? Using your YouTube channel, you can make money from advertising revenue, from channel membership, and of course selling your merchandise in your YouTube store. And another way to make money is to write an ebook. Guys, have you been sitting on a book idea for a long time? Guess what? Do you know you can self-publish and sell your ebook online? So guys, if you're someone that has a wealth of knowledge regarding financial advice, guys, guess what? You can create your ebook on financial advice and self-help to cookbooks and fiction. Guys, there's no limit to what you can write about. If you have expertise on the subjects and you want to share your knowledge, an ebook is a great way to get the word out. There are so many online ebook publishers, which includes Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, and Rakuten Kobo. Guys, writing a book is not easy, and it takes a significant amount of effort on the front end. But once you hit the publish, your ebook has the passive income potential. Another way to make money is guys, let me spill the tea on this thing. Voiceover acting. I met a lady, she does voiceover acting, and you don't want to know how much they paid her for to do a voiceover, a 1-minute voiceover. She was paid $40,000. Yes, voiceover acting. In case you don't know, now you know. A lot of people gatekeep. A lot of people will not tell you. A lot of people will not fill you in on all the amazing opportunities that exist in certain fields. You're gonna look. You will see some fields and you tend to look down on them. You know that they are making a killer. They are making more money than you. Keep looking down on them. So voiceover actor. You can become a voiceover actor. Have you been told so many times? See, you don't really need to, you don't need so much training, really. If you're someone that has been complimented over the years, hey, you have a nice voice, you have a beautiful voice, and so that's turn it to money for yourself, guys. Don't sleep on it. On this channel, I'm always filling you guys in on all the latest ways to make money. I'm not gatekeeping. We are keeping it real here. We are sharing information. We are tell a friend, and also make sure that you share this video with your friends. The next one on my list, guys, is before I move to the next one on my list, just so you know, voiceover acting can require some initial investments like a microphone, a headphone, as well as a voice recording and editing software. And guess what? I have 10 extra secret websites to make money from. Yes, the first one on my list is people will not tell you about these things. So yes, you're welcome. So I'm gonna tell you. So guys, the next secret website is Atapo. Yes, Atapo is another user-friendly survey app that you should try out. The next one on my list, the next app on my list is Rumble. Yes, Rumble is a YouTube alternative that creators can use to earn money. Another one is Teachable. Guys, if you want a useful platform that you can sell courses on, Teachable is one of them. The next one on my list here is Bestmar. Guys, one of the top mystery shopping gigs around. You can get them on websites. If you have not been checking out my previous videos, in case you're wondering what a mystery shopper is, I made a whole video on how to become a mystery shopper. So guys, the next one on my list here is StudyPo. Guys, it's a great website for you to sell notes or do homework for money. Yes, you can help people do their homework and get paid for it. Or if you have your own notes, yes, I remember when I was in grad school, there was a website that was asking me to to turn in my notes, my school notes, in exchange for cash. You can do that as well and make good money. And guys, the next one here on my list, I'm sure you've heard it so many times, is Fiverr. Guys, Fiverr is one of the largest freelance gig marketplaces that is similar to Upwork. And the next one on my list here is Rakuten. Guys, Rakuten is a great cashback shopping platform that works with thousands of stores. And the next one here on my list is Prolific. Guys, Prolific is one of the top market research panels that pays its members with cash. Yes, you can go on there, respond to questions, surveys, and you get paid. The next one on my list here is User Testing. Guys, this website pays you to test websites and apps in your spare time, and you get paid for it. The next one on my list here is Shutterstock. Do you know that you can sell your photos and make money? You heard me right. Besties, you can earn money by licensing and selling your stock photography and of course photos. And guys, there you have it. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. You know we don't gatekeep on this channel. If you have not joined the family yet, go ahead and join the family. Like this video and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'd like to know you and meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support to your girl. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, if you want a particular kind of video or research done for you, please besties, let me know in the comments. I am working for you guys. I mean it when I say I'm working for you guys. So go ahead and let me know what you want to see more of right here on this channel. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, you can start making good money from the comfort of your home. And that's it, guys. So I will see you in my next video. Make sure that you check out my previous videos. Turn on the notification bell when you join this family, when you subscribe to my channel, so that you get notified every single time that I drop a new video. Make sure that you join my Telegram community. Yes, I have a giveaway going on right now, so make sure that you don't miss out on it. And of course, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and in case someone has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves. I could expect, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.